kindly just overtake it. Okay, hello guys. It's been a while, so it's really hot right now. It's 3:13 in the afternoon. It's burning outside, but even though it's burning, you still gotta wear a helmet, a full face helmet, certified helmet. Safety is always first. Gloves on. Okay, I'm heading to Roma. By the way, I've been here in Bandaman for almost 3 or 4 days, so it's time to go back home. I feel so much better after I'm off. The wind feels good, but still the heat is way too much, man. I'm burning inside. I'm sweating all over my head. No matter how hot it is, safety comes first, right? With a full face helmet, even a glove, see? A riding glove. I need to go buy some bread. The only place where I go to buy bread is Timbuk. The bread is amazing, so I always go there and buy. Actually, our whole family do that. We think it's the only place they make a decent bread. Over here. Uncle, party the border. Ekta koto? Acha, ekta ben. How much is Panchana anyway? Not good with the numbers with Bangla. So I don't understand. I just give a larger number of cash. I guess Panchana, huh? Oh, thank God there's bread, because bread, it will feel like I'm going home empty-handed. This is the only place, the bakery, they make the best bread in the town. Timbuk, quite famous. Okay. Let's go from here. It's been a long time since I have done any vlogging, actually, because of the weather. It's not been raining, it's so hot. I had to stay at home all day. This vlogging is quite fun, actually. At first, I wonder what will I talk about and stuff, you know. But then time goes on and some stuff comes up. It's fun to do a vlogging, motovlogging. have the confidence in doing cornering in this kind of road because of the bump. Though it might appear that the road is planned and quite good, but no, it's not like that. The reality is different. The bump is a very nightmare for cornering, and it's quite annoying also. The road from Bandarban to Ruma, and how much they're working on, it's far from perfection, you know. $3:21 right now, so I'm in no hurry to reach home. This old bike of mine which I'm riding right now is pretty stiff, very stiff, and cornering, you know, it's the one of the first model I think in the double disc category. It's very hard while doing cornering because it just won't go, not like the Gixxer, the other versions that came after this one. Pretty nimble, those bikes are for cornering, but this my bike, for cornering it just won't go. It's so stiff, not nimble. I'm thinking of upgrading it, maybe buy a fully fed bike, you know, a field experience. But I think it's always good to have one naked bike in the garage. Like, you know, to have an option someday to ride naked comfortably. Naked bikes are so fun to ride. It just, you know, it just gives you comfort, not like the sporty, that fully fed bikes that you have to lean like this all the time. Your wrist hurt, you have a back pain and stuff like that. But with naked bikes, I got no pain. Really, I don't have it. I mean, riding in good roads, obviously no pain, but in a bad road like an off-road, it does cause me some pain in the past. Overload trucks actually destroyed the bridges quite often. I think they are the cause of all the broken bridges and the roads. Heavy overload trucks, especially trucks. Oh shit. Let's just overtake it. So it did. I had to overtake it. I was in the middle, halfway, so. No, it's quite windy. And dust getting inside my eyes. See? That's an example. In the corner line, you can't see shit what's coming right at you. When you're turning, some drivers, they don't honk. So you gotta honk always. For safety, right? Safety is always the first thing. You gotta keep that in mind. Hey! Hey! Oh man, this bridge is very risky, you know. This bridge are so damn old, so delicate. It could break down anytime. So one vehicle, one heavy load at a time. I believe they just get some money. It's so dangerous for cornering, man, just so. Minutes. Welcome to 12 miles. Watch out, Oldie. Watch out, old man.